Today, the markets are slightly red. It's not the sell and move to a bunker red. It's more like you checked your bank statement, you closed the app, and went back to sleep, right? The S&P 500 is down 0.2%, while Nasdaq is down 0.5%, and the Dow is down 0.7%. So it's not a crash or a financial apocalypse. It's just millions of traders and investors staring at their screens and wondering, why are you like this? Here is what Fahali sees. Big stocks are pulling in different directions. Microsoft is up by 1.5%, proudly carrying the group's project high. Amazon and Meta are slightly higher, while Google, Tesla, and JP Morgan are lower. Apple and Nvidia, on the other hand, have barely moved. They have apparently decided today is a public holiday for them. This matters because the market does not have a clear leader. And when big companies disagree, the wider market usually works like a family trying to find a restaurant. Everyone is moving, but nobody knows where they are going. Over in crypto, Bitcoin is near 64,600. It is almost completely flat. Bitcoin is not pumping, neither is it crashing. It is simply standing in the kitchen and thinking about its life choices. Ethereum, on the other hand, has done much better. It's up about 1.2%. But Solana, XRP, and Dogecoin are much lower. Cardano, on the other hand, is up strongly because crypto can never behave normally for more than 7 consecutive minutes. The important message is not everything is falling. It's just that the market is moving unevenly. Some assets are being bought, others are quietly being abandoned. The crowd has not yet agreed on the direction. Picture this: gold is much lower, and long-time US government bonds are also lower, which is interesting because investors usually run towards these assets when they are frightened. However, today, nobody is running anywhere. They are standing near the emergency exit and they are pretending they are getting some fresh air. So, what should you do? First of all, do not mistake a red day for the end of capitalism. Second, watch your concentration. Microsoft is rising while several other major names are weakening. One strong stock might make the market look healthier than it actually is. Third, avoid chasing wildest crypto moves. When small coins rise by 20 or 50%, or even more in a single day, that is not investing. That is simply casino wearing a laptop. For Harry, verdict is simple. The market is not in full panic, but it is fragmented, directionless, and vulnerable to the next big news. And check whether your 5 different investments are secretly the same risk wearing different outfits. This is Fahali, the analyst that watches the market while everybody else is watching the price. Fahali knows what needs attention before it becomes expensive. As always, this is for observation and not financial advice.